Good morning, students. Welcome to KVNRC YouTube channel. I am your maths teacher, Mr. Vijay Patil. Today we are going to see the first point of the chapter, the fishtail, that is Indian place value system. Now, in this Indian place value system, in the last video, we have studied about how to write number names and the Indian place value chart. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about place, place value and expanded form of numbers. Place, place value and expanded form of numbers. These 3 points are very important in Indian place value system. So let's start the first point, place. Now place. Now in this point, look at this number, write number name of the number is given here. Now how to write this number name of this number? Now 8 is at 1's position, 2 at 10's position, 4 at 100 positions, then 6 at 1000, 5 at 10,000 position. So we have to write 56,428. Now let's check. 56,428, that is correct. Now look at this chart. Indian place value chart is here, and now look at this table, small table having the numbers, that this number is there, 56,428. 56,428. I have divided the number into their places. 8 is at 1's position, 2 is at 10's position, 4 is at 100 position, 6 1000 position, and 5 10,000 position. Now how to find out places of this number? These are the places of this number. Now look at this chart, you will understand how can we find places of the given digits in given number. For example, the first digit is 5. So 5 is at 10,000 position. 5 is at 10,000 position. So the place of 5 in the number 56,428, the place is 10,000. The place of 5 in this number is at 10,000 place. Then the second number 6 is at 1000 place. So 1000 place is there. Then the third digit is 4. 4 is at 100 place. 2 is at 10's place and 8 is at 1's place. 8 1's place, 2 10's place, 4 100 place, 6 1000 place, 5 10,000 place. Now imagine if 2 number is here in this box below the 10 crores box, then how will you find the place of this number 2? Yes, the place of this 2 will be 10 crore. Now in case of this crore, then 10 lakh, then lakh. So it is very easy to find out place. You have to just look the number and divide the number into its places, and you have to find out the places very well. Okay, so this is about places. Now let's go to the next point, place value. How to find out place value of given number. Now let's take example of the number which we have taken earlier, that is 56,428. Now again I divided the number into its places, that is 8 is at 1's place, 2 10's place, 4 100's place, 6 10,000 place, and 5 10,000 place. Now place value of each digit in this number. Now let's start from left hand side. 5. The first digit in the number is 5. So if you want to find out place value of any number or any digit, now look at here 5. 5 into 10,000. Why we have to multiply by 10,000? Because 5 is at 10,000 position. The place of 5 is at 10,000. So we have to multiply 5 by 10,000 and then we will get 50,000 is the place value of 5 in this number. Now 6 is at 1000 position. So we have to multiply by 6 by 1000. That means 6 into 1000 is equal to 6000. Now 4 is at 100 position, so multiply by 100. 4 into 100 is equal to 400. Then 2 is at 10th position, so multiply by 10. That is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. And in case of this last number 8, 8 is at 1st position, so you have to multiply 8 by 1. Then you will get 8. 8 into 1, 8. So it is very simple to find out place value of given digit in given number. We have to just multiply by its places. If 2 is at 10th place, you have to multiply by 10. Suppose if there will be a number, suppose if 3 is at lakh place, so you have to multiply 3 by lakh, 1 lakh. That means the place value of 3 is 3 lakh. Okay, if 3 is at lakh position, then its place value will be 3 lakh. Okay, so this is very simple. Place and place value depend upon the Indian place value chart. Now next one is expanded form. Before going to that, one exercise is here. Write place and place value of underlined digit. Now let's look at this chart. The numbers are given here. You have to find place and place value. Now the first number, who will read the first number? 12,546 is there, and the underlined digit is 5. 5 is at 100 position, so you have to multiply by 5, multiply it by 100. So 5 into 100, 500. Then 6 is at 10,000 position, so multiply by 10,000, that means 60,000. Now in this number 6 is at 1000 position. Look at here, this is ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand. This is at 1000 position, so multiply 6 by 1000, we will get 6000. Now in this number, this is ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, and then lakh. So 6 is at lakh position, so you have to multiply by lakh, that means 6 lakh is here. This is the place value of this 6 underlined digit. This is 6 and the place value is 6 lakh. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. So the place of this 2 is crore and place value is 2 crore. Okay. Now very simple, this is the first place, ones place. So ones place is here and you have to multiply 6 by 1, that means 6. And now here is the 7 is at 10th position. So we have to multiply by 10. So 7 into 10 is equal to 70. This is very simple. Now let's move on to the next, that is expanded form of numbers. Now if you know about how to find out place value of numbers, you will easily write the expanded form of numbers. Now one number is here, we'll read this number. It is this ones position, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000. That means 24,538 is there. So if you want to write expanded form of given number, any number, you have to add just its place value from left hand side to right hand side. Okay. So the first from left hand side, the digit is 2. 2 is at 10,000 position. So what is the place value of this 2? Yes, 2 into 10,000, that means 20,000. This is the place value of this 2. Then plus you have to add, what is the place value of 4? 4 is at 1000 position. So 4000 is the place value of 4. Then 5, 5 is at 100 position. So 500 is here. Now 3 is at tens position. Then 30 is here. And 8 is at ones position. That means 8 is here. So expanded form of this number, that is 24,538, is 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 8. This is the expanded form of this number. Okay. Now let's take next example. Number is 4,678. So we have to write the first place value of this number, that is 4,000, correct. Then 600, correct. Then 70, and last one is 8. Okay, this is also correct. Now next, this is 8 as at ones position, then 0 tens position, then 100 position, 1000 position, 10,000 position, and then lakh position. So place value of 3 is 3 lakh, plus place value of 7 is 70,000. Okay. Now what is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is 0. So you have to add just 0 here. Now the place value of 5 is 500 plus 0, and last one is 8. So very simple, you have to just going on to add just the place value of the number or digits of in the given numbers. Okay, this is very simple. Now let's move on to the next slide. Write expanded form of following numbers. Let's check, is it correct or not. The number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. That means 45 lakh, 9,625. So 40 lakh is here, plus 5 lakh is here, correct, plus 0, this 0, plus 9,000, place value of this 9, then place value of 6, 600, place value of 2, 20, and place value of 5 is the 5. So this is correct. Now next, this is simple number 76,524. So 7, place value of 7 is 70,000, plus place value of 6 is 6,000, plus place value of this 5 is 500, plus 20 plus 4. So very simple is that, just going on add the place value of the given numbers. Now ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. That means 3 crore 35 lakh 69,605. This is the number. So let's check, is it correct or not. Ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So the place value of 3 is 3 crore. This is correct. Plus 30 lakh is also correct. 5 lakh, then 60,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 5. This is correct. Okay. Now write in standard form. How to write number in standard form? If already expanded form is given there, how to write in standard form? Now look at this example. Okay. So the first is 50,000 is here, then the 6,000, then 0, then 50, then 2. So simply if you add all this number, you will get standard form of this number. Now I am going to add this. Now look at here. Yes, in this box. The first number is 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 2. You have to just add all these numbers. So 2 and 0, 2. 5, 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0. 6 and 0, 6. And 5, 5. That means standard form of this expanded form is 56,052. Now look at here. 56,052 is the standard. This is standard form of this expanded form of number. Very simple. Just add this, then you will get the standard form. Now let's move on to the next example. I think 3 lakh is there, plus 0, plus 2000, plus 20, plus 3. If you add all these number, you will get this number, that is 3,02,023. This is the correct standard form of this expanded form. This type of question may be asked in your examination. Write the standard form of this expanded form of number. Now the last one is, let's check what is the number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. That means 6 crore is there. Okay. Then this is 60 lakh, then 9 lakh, then 0, then 3,000, then 10, then 5. Okay. So if you add all these number, you will get this number, 6 crore, 69 lakh, 3015. This is the correct standard form of this expanded form of number. So this is all about the place value and expanded form of number. I hope you have understood this. Thank you very much.